Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today in my lecture series we are just going to see in detail about IoT enabling technologies, that is first is WSN wireless sensor network. It comes under the unit fundamental mechanisms and key technologies, the subject of Internet of Things. Let us see wireless sensor networks in detail. Wireless sensor networks, it is known as WSN, comprise of distributed devices with the sensor which are used to monitor the environmental and physical conditions. A WSN consists of a number of end nodes and routers and a coordinate. End nodes have several sensors attached to them. End nodes can also act as routers. Routers are responsible for routing the data packet from end nodes to the coordinate. A sink or base station acts like an interface between users and the network. The coordinator nodes collect the data from all the nodes. Coordinator also act as a gateway that connects the wireless sensor network to the internet. WSNs can measure environment conditions such as temperature, sound, pollution, levels, humidity, and wind. Next, let us see a simple architecture of wireless sensor network. First of all, here let's see you are having a user. User is connected to internet. Then this wireless sensor network, it mainly consists of a sink and then sensor nodes and your sound, vibration, target, heat, all those comes under this wireless sensor network. A message is passed in this form. This is a simple architecture of an wireless sensor network. First, sensing region 1, sensing region 2. We are just going to use sense region 1 and sense region 2. Sensing region 1, it mainly consists of a base station, whereas sensing region 2 also consists of a base station. Both these sensing regions consist of sensor nodes, n number of sensor nodes that is connected to the base station. Whenever like this, n number of sensing regions will be available that are connected to the internet. Internet, it mainly what it will do is it will analyze, then it will analyze the data, then it will store the data, and a mining process will be taken place. Finally, the processing will be occurred. This way, WSN works. Next, let us see what are all the constraints of WSN. WSN, it has some limited processing step. Speed, that is storage capabilities. Generally, here are some of the applications of WSN. Let us see what are all the applications of WSN we are using in our day-to-day life. First is your military application. In the case of a military, we are just using these WSN. Transportation, that is traffic analysis. Here the traffic will be analyzed through this WSN and the report will be sent to the centralized team. Next is health application. Using health application, many hospitals nowadays they are using these technologies, that is wireless sensor network, for the patients to monitor them. Next is air pollution monitoring. Air pollution monitoring, it mainly is from avoid the unpolluted air. Next is forest fire detection. Forest fire detection is mainly used to detect the fires which have been taken place in the forest. Next is your greenhouse monitoring. Greenhouse monitoring and landslide detection. detecting the landslide whenever it has been occurred. Structural monitoring, industrial monitoring, then finally it is your agricultural sector. It is used in agricultural sector.